Coach. Talking today about vent terminals, section 903.5. Comes up a lot here. I want you to note here you got your plumbing exhaust. I want you to note here you got your HVAC intakes coming in. And anything within 10 feet, those intakes, they want to have a 10-foot clear radius around. So right there, that terminal within 10 feet of that intake and all that, you don't want sewer gases, plumbing gases, what have you, any type of gases getting sucked up into the HVAC system. So any kind of exhausts, any of that, we want to keep them away, 10 feet away or 3 feet above. So that way the gases get dispersed. So a big thing to be checking for on roofs is that.